So guys, you need to come to PayPal website. So you just need to put like go to Google and type paypal.com. So once you type paypal.com, you'll be taken to this website. So you need to click on this flag there. You need to make sure if your own is showing your country, just click on the flag and change it to Lesotho. Lesotho, Lesotho, just look for Lesotho, and then once you click on Lesotho, make sure it's on Lesotho. So come up here and then click on sign up. So once you clicked on sign up, you guys need to click on business account. So once you click on business account, click on continue. So you need to put your first and last name, and then you need to put your email address. Click on you've read and agree. So now you need to start activating your account. So now you need to click on business. You need to save your details and choose any name you want to choose, but I'll choose something like this part is up to you. You can put anything you want to put. So private corporation. So after putting your date of birth, guys, you now need to come over towards your nationality. So it's like where you were born. So you need to click it, and then you need to put your phone number. Don't worry, just put your normal phone number. They will not check anything. Just put your phone number, your normal phone number. So guys, after putting your phone number, you need to put your like address. So once you're done with your address, you just click on next. So now guys, they are asking us like to tell them about our business. So business registration number, you don't need to put anything there. And then what do you sell or what do you offer? Like just put financial institution or something you want. And then do you have a website? Say no. And then the phone number, use the same address as before. And then you input your phone number one more time, and that's all. You're good to go. So complete the customer identification process to avoid PayPal account service interruption. So they are just looking for more ways to like confirm your identity. So you guys just need to put the country of like where your country is based, like your business is based. So you can choose the country where you are right now, and then you click on submit. And then guys, once you click on submit, the only thing you need to do is to click on home, and then your PayPal account is already ready to go, right? You are ready to go. The only thing you need to do is, since you don't really receive money, the only thing you do is to send money. So you are good to go with this account, right? But the only thing you need to do is to confirm your email. So come to this place and then send link again to your email, and then come to your email and try to confirm. So your email has been verified. Click on next, continue. So guys, as you can see, you are already good to go. Your email is verified. So the only thing you need to do on your own end is to go and link your card. But most of the time you are going to use your PayPal balance, because sometimes I don't like linking my card to my PayPal, because sometimes if you subscribe to something and you don't have the money yet, they will just withdraw money from your card. So that is why I don't want to link my card to my PayPal. So I think you're already good to go with your email that's confirmed. So if your email is confirmed, that's all. Alright, you are good to go. So this complete your profile is like you can like just skip it, because they want to make sure that you are good, like you are a good person, you are a good customer, you are not a scammer or something. So all your information are there already, so it's saved. So you need to like just like wrap it, and then yes, so since your email is good already, you need to go to like the part that I'm so happy to show you is our user testing. So as you can see guys, my user testing account is available. All right, so that's it. I'm so happy to show you guys that the account is already available and you can start taking tests. But before, you need to link your PayPal account to your user testing account. So how do you do it? You need to come to test history, and then you see that you don't have tests yet, right? So now you come to my profile, and then you need to click on edit profile. And once you click on edit profile, you need to come to no, I'm so sorry. You need to come to settings, click on your this thing here, and then come to settings. And once you are in settings, you need to change your mail, right? You can, like, I'm just trying to show you how to do it. This one is already like I already have a mail that's connected to it. I made it on the previous video, but since you guys just created your PayPal account, you need to come to this place here, go to settings. Once you're in settings, you need to change your mail address, and that's all. So that's all for the video guys. I hope you enjoyed it.